What are you doing?
Okay.
Wait, wait.
I'm gonna pull my tooth.
Let me see.
Ow.
Which tooth?
This one.
Let's get a big. Oh,
Hi.
there's your finger.
It's right, that was one.
Do you have a string around it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And you're going to slam the door?
Yes.
Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm gonna try to find it.
You got to push it super hard. Ready? Hard.
You gotta do it hard. Stop. Stop. Stand right here.
Don't pull it out! Don't pull it! Don't pull my tooth out!
Okay.
I'm serious!
That's so freaking disgusting.
You did it! Pull my tooth out! You did it! You pulled my tooth out!
You didn't want me to, or you want me to?
You did! You pulled it out!
Let me see.
Did that hurt?
This is blood.
It's just blood, yeah. Okay, put that in. Okay, go in our bathroom.
Let's see.
Ready?
Oh, it's so cute.
It's bloody!
Kayla, calm down. Just rinse your mouth. Can you get her cup?
Yeah.